Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Charger sun visor. First, gather your tools, like a flathead screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Carefully use the trim tool to pry off the small plastic cover at the base of the visor. Once exposed, use your screwdriver to remove the two retaining screws that secure the visor to the headliner. This initial step is crucial for a smooth removal process. After removing the screws, you'll likely find an electrical connector for the vanity light. Gently disconnect this wire harness. Next, twist the visor arm counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from its mounting clip. With the electrical connection free and the arm released, you can now carefully pull the entire sun visor assembly straight out from the roof. To reinstall, align the new visor's arm with the mounting hole in the headliner. Push it in firmly, then twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical wire for the vanity light. Finally, snap the plastic cover back over the mounting bracket, ensuring it clicks firmly into position. Double-check everything is snug. Once installed, test the new sun visor by moving it through its full range of motion and checking that the vanity light works correctly. Ensure all screws are tight and the plastic cover is flush against the headliner for a professional finish. For more great deals and to bring your space to life with an Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below for links and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.